Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. This is episode 2 of my Foodmas edition. I'm running a little late, but the video is here. I apologize for my tardiness. So today I'm going to show you how I make this pineapple honey hot salmon. So let's get into it. So first you want to season up your salmon. This is what I have. Now y'all, that mustard back there is brand new. I just got it from the store. It was spoiled. And it's brand new, so I had to make a quick decision and I decided to do the pineapple honey hot instead. It was supposed to be honey mustard, but as a cook you gotta know how to get back on your feet and keep it moving, and that's exactly what I did. So you want to season all sides of your salmon. This is a savory spice mix that I made the other day, and I had some and I put it on the salmon. So now I'm gonna work on the sauce, which is honey, of course, hot sauce, and pineapple juice, and that's it. Because the salmon is seasoned so well, you don't need to season the sauce. It's basically kind of just like a glaze, because the salmon is already well seasoned as is. So when you reduce it by half, this is what you get. You want to put it to the side, and now I'm going to put the salmon in the air fryer. Alright, so I'm going to cook this off at 380 for 10 minutes. My air fryer doesn't have 375, so I'm doing 380 at 10 minutes. And then we're going to pull it out and glaze it. Now, this is how I test it for doneness. I just tap it. If it's too jiggly, I know it's not done yet. So now I'm just going to put the glaze right on. By the way, the 10 minutes was spot on. My salmon was actually done, but I did need to cook it for 2 more minutes just to get the glaze to stick a bit, and that's what I did. So put the glaze on, pop it back into your air fryer for another 2 minutes, and that's pretty much it. It's so easy to make and simple. So yep, so I'm going to show you what it looks like, and it's right here. Now when it comes out, I did have more sauce, and y'all know I like my sauce, so I put more sauce on the salmon, and this is how I served it up. And we actually put the salmon in lettuce boats tonight. I didn't make a actual side. We just shredded it up and put it in a lettuce boat with some crispy jalapenos. You could get that from the grocery store, and that's what we ate for dinner tonight. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming back for episode 2. I promise I'll be on time tomorrow. Today was just a super long day, and yeah, so I'm going to be on time tomorrow, and I'm going to have more videos coming all the way to Christmas Day. So thank y'all, and I'll catch you on my next video. It was so juicy, perfectly cooked, savory, well seasoned, as you can see. Don't forget to check out my description box. I'll have everything down there, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.